Ghazif bin Haris narrates that I asked Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha, please inform me whether the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform ghusl, ritual bath for sexual impurity at the beginning or end of the night. She replied, sometimes he would perform ghusl at the beginning of the night and sometimes at the end. Upon hearing this, I exclaimed, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest, and expressed gratitude to Allah for His vastness in this matter. I then asked, please inform me whether the Prophet ﷺ used to recite witr, odd numbered prayers in the early part or the later part of the night. She answered, sometimes he would recite witr at the early part of the night and sometimes in the later part. Again I said, Allahu Akbar, and thanked Allah for His vastness in this matter. Finally I asked, did the Prophet ﷺ recite the Quran aloud or silently? She replied, sometimes he recited aloud and sometimes he recited silently. Once again I expressed gratitude to Allah, acknowledging His vastness in this matter. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23123.